I had an opportunity to move my network rack. I wasn't thrilled with where it was, and also there was a slew of cables and tons of other problems that I had to resolve, and I wanted to make it look pretty. So I did that. I took 6 hours today, and I did that. Rewiring is not for the weak. I got labels on there. I have everything lined up. It's nice and clean and ubiquity. But my layer 1, my physical layer, looks pretty sweet. Here's a quick video just showcasing the changes that I made. If you have any questions, let me know. Enjoy.